Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, January 4th. The reflection for today is change. Change is something I used to complain about, except I used to call it transition. I used to say I am horrible with transitions. And of course I was, to live up to my expectations. I have since discovered something life-altering. When I resist change, it resists me, and there ensues a tug of war. Whereas if I honor change, or at least lean into it, the change is easier to embrace. I can't rush it, which is what I used to want to do. Little did I know, I was missing the best part, the new stuff. I have also given myself permission to be uncomfortable with newness. The kind of discomfort I felt when I learned to ride a two-wheel bike. It was laced with grand excitement at the thought of being able to fly around on my new wheels, and the fear of falling on my nose. But somehow, it was all worth it. I did to ride the bike. I have also learned that change is an ending. I need to be patient, to allow time for closure, so as to allow for the celebration of the new. Closure allows for the new energy that fuels the voyage of the change to arise. I am allowing myself the time to experience change. I am comfortable with my emotions and lean into the transitions of life. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Your eyes can be open or closed, and allow yourself to take a few nice, easy breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now repeat after me silently or out loud. I am allowing myself the time to experience change. I am comfortable with my emotions and lean into the transitions of life. I am allowing myself the time to experience change. I am comfortable with my emotions and lean into the transitions of life. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to simply be and simply breathe. Let your mantra for today be, I am allowing myself the time to experience change. I am comfortable with my emotions and lean into the transitions of life. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.